Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide address on Amazon wishlist on Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon shopping app on your device. And then here you can select your profile. After that, press on your list option here. Okay, and then select the list you want to hide the address from others. And then click three dots at the top. After that, you can select Manage List option. And then here you can scroll down. Okay, in this section, you must remember to disable or not to check this option. Or you can click the down arrow here, and then you can select None. And then you can save change. Okay, then the address on your wishlist is successfully hidden. That's the tutorial on how to hide address on Amazon wishlist on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.